Hi, beautiful people. Cook Sunday lunch with me for lunch today with some carrots with some butternut that I made with cinnamon and sugar. And then I've made some chicken in the air fryer and made fried potato wedges. And she most definitely was a goodie. I would like to say thank you to everybody that has been watching, liking, and been subscribing to my channel. To the new subscribers, I would like to say welcome to the family and thank you so much for subscribing. Have a blessed Sunday. See you in the next one.